Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Resident Evil 4 on PPSSPP. First, you will need to download and install the PPSSPP emulator on your chosen device. Next, acquire the Resident Evil 4 game file, often found as an ISO or CSO. Finally, ensure your device has sufficient processing power and memory for smooth emulation. A good internet connection is helpful for initial downloads. Installing PPSSPP is straightforward. Visit the official website to download the correct version for your operating system, whether it is Windows, Android, or iOS. After installation, open the emulator and navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you can make initial adjustments to graphics and audio. Consider setting the rendering resolution to 1x or 2x PSB for a good balance. To load your game, first place the Resident Evil 4 ISO or CSO file into an easily accessible folder on your device. Open the PPSSPP emulator and use the Load or Games tab to navigate to that folder. Once you see the game icon, simply tap or click it to start playing. The default controls are usually displayed, but you can customize them in the settings. For the best experience, you might need to tweak some settings. Try changing the rendering backend between OpenGL and Vulkan to see which performs better on your hardware. If the game runs slowly, enable frame skipping, starting with 1 or 2 frames. Many online communities offer specific configuration guides for Resident Evil 4, so do not hesitate to consult them for advanced tips.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.